there for today.
Today, yes.
Yeah, we have Dewi Magazine. It's a local magazine in Indonesia.
Cover.
So we have a digital cover. Also for Feb. So we have 2 for Feb.
For them?
Yes, for Von.
Okay.
Paid editorial nila to. So
Okay.
the other one is L, which is for tomorrow. L Indonesia. So for today, what's your look?
Today, tatawagan ko muna ang aking asawa. Na I bet
Ayaw
yung hindi
nga.
sasagot.
Ano ba kayo?
Naunahan.
Oo. Dear, pag sumagot, tingnan natin.
Hi, babe! Getting ready na kami for today.
Okay, at least nakabayaran.
Ano meron ka today? Chat. Siyempre alam ko. Senate. Okay. Nakatulog ka?
Ilan ba? 8.
Okay, very good. Okay na yun sa high blood. Perfect.
12:30 to 8:30.
Okay, babe. Sige. Alright. Love you, babe.
Ano meron next today?
Today, meron kaming meet and greet, tapos cover shoot, tapos dinner, tapos we have free time. Bukas yung talagang grabe namin.
Fashion.
Fashion week level.
Bakit? Ilang events?
Dami. So it's the
So you have one event.
one event, fashion show,
Yes. Then
L magazine cover, then meet and greet,
Yes.
and then
Airport.
airport.
Kada magsisimula at matatapos ka sa'yo, sasabihan mo ko.
Ikaw din every time na meron kang ipapass na bill o every time meron kang next meeting. Gusto ko ng text, pati na rin yung BP mo. Every 2 hours.
Ay, mauna ka.
Sige. At matuto kang mag-good night pag umuwi ka ha. Kasi I'm on my way home. Pagdating sa on my way home, naka-reach ba sa bahay? Ni walang ganon. Nakatulog na ba? Ano na? Naligo na ba?
Nakita ko, papadala ko sa'yo, nakalagay.
Hindi mo na send. Hindi mo na send.
Dating.
Ano yung usapan natin, yung picture na kasama yung dalawang aso, di ba? Dapat papadala mo yon?
Ayun na, I'm sleeping na. Sumagot ka pa.
May picture ba? Malay ko kung totoo.
Eh, wala si Ponsi na.
Ayusin mo Ayusin mo lang. Hindi, napupuno na rin ako sa iyo
Sa feel.
Tandaan mo may ano yan, talagang yung emergency credit card magagamit ko, ma'am. Isa-swipe ko yan.
Pwede ko naman i-reject eh.
Oh, that's right. You can reject it. Well, you won't do that.
You don't reject. I did not make this purchase.
Okay na.
Hindi niyo gagawin yun sa akin. Okay, love you. Bye.
Bye, Sir Chi.
Bye, Sir Chi!
Bye.
Oh, she's so pretty. As in, manghang-mangha sila na parang may Diyosang dumating.